Did you notice that the current economy sentiment score has spiked to plus 0.75? This isn't just a random fluctuation, it's a significant increase compared to our historical baseline. You'll want to dig into this, especially with momentum also showing a healthy plus 0.64. The 15 semantic clusters indicate that sentiment is not only positive, but also diverse across various economic discussions. With this API, you get real-time insights that include sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic data, all designed to enhance your decision-making. Imagine using this data to adjust your investment strategies in real time, optimizing your portfolio based on the latest shifts in economic sentiment. Dive deeper into the details at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. This could be the insight you need to stay ahead.